The Supreme Court on Monday transferred a case related to fake caste certificates in West Bengal from Calcutta High Court to itself. The five-judge bench, headed by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, also directed all the concerned parties to complete their arguments in the meantime. Now, what is this case? Why was the Supreme Court hearing this matter on an urgent basis? Hi, my name is Rashide. I'm a senior assistant editor at The Print, and I will explain to you what is the background of this entire matter. One Ishita Soren last year in September moved the Calcutta High Court alleging that several candidates were allotted seats in government-run medical colleges across the state of West Bengal by producing fake caste certificates. Ishita Soren says that she had appeared for NEET in 2023-24 and had secured a rank which gave her a seat in a private medical college. But due to her economic background, she could not afford studying in a private college and later found out that several candidates who did not belong to the SC/ST community had procured fake caste certificates and gotten allotments in government-run medical colleges across the state. She had filed 2 complaints before the government of West Bengal but had not received any response, and that's when she filed a petition before the Calcutta High Court in September last year for justice. Now, this matter was taken up last week by the single bench judge of Justice Gangopadhyay, who is known for giving orders against the government of West Bengal and putting his faith in the central agencies when it comes to such irregularities. Justice Gangopadhyay, upon hearing the petitioner, had immediately ordered a CBI investigation into the matter, asking the government to hand over all the papers to the central agencies so that they can begin the case immediately. Also present in the court was a CBI officer who was given direct orders by Justice Gangopadhyay to immediately file an FIR and start probing these allegations of fake caste certificates in West Bengal over the last 3 years. The Council for West Bengal Government thereafter immediately moved a division bench of the Calcutta High Court led by Justice Somen Sen. The Council for the West Bengal Government orally mentioned before Justice Sen that the single bench had ordered a CBI probe into these allegations of fake caste certificates and that they wanted a stay on the CBI investigation. The division bench of Justice Somen Sen Gupta ordered a stay in the CBI probe. But in the meanwhile, the CBI had already filed an FIR as per the order of the single bench. The matter came up for hearing again the next day before the single bench of Justice Gangopadhyay. While dictating the order, Justice Gangopadhyay did mention certain very serious allegations against none other than his counterpart, Justice Somen Sen of the division bench. In that order, he said that just before the break of the Calcutta High Court, Justice Amrita Sinha, another sitting judge of the Calcutta High Court who is looking into the high-profile cases of teachers' recruitment scam here in the state, had been approached by Justice Sen over the telephone, where Justice Sen had asked Justice Sinha to drop the cases against Abhishek Bandyopadhyay, who happens to be the TMC National General Secretary and nephew of the West Bengal Chief Minister. Justice Gangopadhyay, while dictating his order, said that Justice Sinha had claimed to him that Justice Somen Sen of the division bench had used certain terms and language that spoke as a party spokesperson for the Trinamool Congress. He happened to tell Justice Sinha to also go soft on Abhishek Banerjee, whose name was mentioned in the single bench order. Now, this, of course, the entire tussle between a single bench judge and a division bench judge came to the fore of the Calcutta High Court, and Justice Gangopadhyay, while passing his order, also asked the registrar to serve a copy to the Chief Justice of India, because he said that Justice Sen had been recommended a transfer to the Orissa High Court 2 years ago by the collegium headed by the Supreme Court, but there was no notification as yet, and in the meantime here at the Calcutta High Court he was passing such orders. Now, the Supreme Court took up this matter in suo motu cognizance on Saturday and heard the matter. It has stayed the entire proceedings of the single bench and the division bench of Calcutta High Court for the time being, has issued notice to the West Bengal government, to the CBI, and also asked the petitioner if she wants to become a party to this case, which has now been heard by the Supreme Court of India. The state government of West Bengal has also filed a special leave petition in the Supreme Court challenging the single bench's order for CBI investigation. The Federation of SC/ST students said they will also be filing a separate petition highlighting the alleged irregularities in medical admission in the state based on false caste certificates. The matter will be taken up by the Supreme Court again after 3 weeks. Thank you for listening.